and I did this like in 15 minutes, but I like sped that up. I accelerated, so it is going to be only 8 minutes of tutorial, I do believe. Well, yeah, this is interesting for all of you because normally when you create a character in Illustrator, you need to have a previous sketch or a previous drawing. So the only thing that you need to like be preoccupied about is the vectorization, if that is a word that exists. But well, yes, you are like only focusing on creating the vectors and not in the overall design of the character. But today I'm going to do something like a little bit opposite of that. I'm going to start creating the character directly, as you can appreciate, on Illustrator without a previous sketch. And it's going like really well. Like, I started with a circular shape for the head of the bunny. I already knew that I wanted to create a bunny. Like, I just thought that it would be like pretty nice to be a nerdy bunny with some nerdy glasses, you know? Like, also the eyes, they are these pinkish, reddish, satanic eyes that bunnies have. Like, you can Google it if you don't believe me, but that's the color of the eyes of the bunnies. Now that we have eyes, glasses, and a nose, I try to rearrange it so it is like the most appealing design for a character. Do you know what do humans think it's cute? Normally our big foreheads. Do you know why? That's because big foreheads reminds us to babies, and like it reminds us to babies we have like this biological urgency to care for them and stuff. So yeah, we are trying to make a cute baby. No, we are trying to create the ears. To create the ears, you only create a regular square, but if you zoom in and you place your cursor like near some of the corners, then this like point or circle appears. That means that you can round that corner, and that saves you like a lot of time. Okay, now I duplicate it with Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I flip it with left click, transform, rotate. I decided to give her a pretty scrunchy, like it's yellow and it's like pink, orange. These are really complementary colors. No, what I do think is that there is no balance between the top part and the bottom part of the face of the bunny, because there's a lot of things going on the top and not a lot on the bottom. So I try to create another like circular shape, oval shape, to create some cheeks, and with that we can like compensate the shape, you know, a little bit, the weight of the shape. Now that we have that, it's looking like a little bit more cuter, more pretty, more cool. Okay. Now, looks like I didn't fucking like that pink color, and I am glad because this is a lot better for the eyes. It looks a little bit more like warmer and cool, and it looks like something that can exist inside Animal Crossing, and I'm okay with that. Now, yeah, I am still playing with some colors for the nose. Yes, pink, it's cool. I do think the eyes maybe like a little bit more satanic, a little bit less. Oh, looks like I liked the Christian version of this bunny. Yeah, you know, you can now create a little bit of contrast in the top part of the ears by making a little bit more darker the other ear. That also gives you a sense of depth. Now this is the pin tool, and it creates a mesh on the object, and now with the mesh you can like modify the point, so you can deform it like as you want. It is really like useful for some stuff. So yeah, this is one way that you can use it. I'm trying to fix it. Yeah, the nose is amazing. We already know that. Like, I am trying to create a mouth or muscle with the pen tool, and I fucking hate that brown color. Like, I hope I am going to change that color. Like, please, come on, you can do it. Yes, we are changing that. I knew it. Like, it was like obvious that it needed to be a yellow, a more deeper yellow. I am like adjusting the cheeks, and if you want to give this bunny a personality, it will be like a plain bread, like, you know, it's terrible, but you can add a little bit of personality by adding some eyebrows, and now it looks like it's like perpetually angry at life. And also another thing that gives personality to a character design is asymmetry, or something that it's like not perfectly aligned. That's why I'm trying to create like manually those like handles of the glasses, and one is obviously like more high than the other one. Still trying to find a better color for the nose, and here it is. An amazing bunny created directly and only in Illustrator. This was not a tutorial, this was I don't know what the hell was that. Goodbye.